When I stepped away from the life I knew, I thought I was walking into a dream. But it wasn't quite the world I left behind. The deeper I looked, the more I saw that this wasn't my home. It was something darker.
After Thanos, we always thought we'd be ready for anything. But there are things none of us can foresee.
Is that supposed to be Tony?
Maybe in our universe, but not his.
This world was never yours to protect. Now it will be mine to destroy.
I can tell you're different. Stronger.
You cannot comprehend the power I now command. Every choice you've made, every path you've taken, has led you to this very moment. Your doom